In today's video I'm going to show you how to fast forward video in CapCut. Launch CapCut on your mobile device and then tap on New Project. And select video you want to edit and then tap on Add. Once your video is loaded, tap on Edit at the bottom left and then tap on Speed at the bottom left. Here you have two options, Normal and Curve. For fast forwarding specific part, choose Curve. Tap on Curve and then select Custom at the bottom, and this allows you to adjust speed at different points in video. Tap on Edit button next to Custom and you will see timeline with several options you can adjust. Drag points to control speed. For example, you can make video normal speed at the beginning and then fast forward to a specific section and return to normal speed. You can add or remove points by tapping on the timeline. Once you adjust speed to your liking, tap on OK, and your video will now play normal speed and then fast forward. Play video to ensure speed adjustments are correct. And when you are satisfied with results, tap on Export button at the top right to save your edited video.